Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast that explores the wonderful world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word for today is biography, a C1 level noun meaning a written account of someone's life. So, what exactly is a biography? Well, it's a detailed story of a person's life, often written by someone other than the subject themselves. Think of it as a deep dive into someone's experiences, achievements, and everything that made them who they are. It goes beyond just listing dates and facts. It aims to paint a picture of the person's character and impact. A biography can cover anyone, from famous historical figures to ordinary individuals with extraordinary stories. Now, let's look at some synonyms for biography. One synonym is life story. For example, her life story is truly inspiring. Another synonym is profile. The magazine published a profile of the renowned scientist. We could also use the word account. He gave a detailed account of his experiences during the war. Another option is chronicle. The book chronicles the Queen's reign. And finally, consider the word portrayal. The film offers a sensitive portrayal of the artist's struggles. Now, let's explore some antonyms of biography. Since a biography is an account of someone's life, an antonym would be something that obscures or avoids that account. An example would be anonymity. The witness requested anonymity to protect their safety. Another antonym could be secrecy. The project was shrouded in secrecy. You could also consider obscurity. He lived a life of relative obscurity. Another contrasting concept is fiction. The novel is a work of fiction, not a retelling of real events. The word disguise can also serve as an antonym in some contexts. He used to disguise to avoid being recognized. So, how can you use the word biography in everyday life? Well, you might say, I'm reading a biography of Marie Curie. She was an incredible scientist. Or, have you seen the new biography about Abraham Lincoln? It's supposed to be excellent. You could also say, she's writing a biography of her grandfather, who was a war hero. Here are some more examples of biography in sentences and phrases. His biography revealed some surprising details about his childhood. The biography was praised for its thorough research and engaging narrative. She decided to write her own biography to set the record straight. That actress is perfect for the lead role in the upcoming biography movie. The library has a wide selection of biographies covering various historical figures. He spent years researching for his biography on Winston Churchill. The biography explores the challenges and triumphs of her career. The film is a cinematic adaptation of a famous biography. I found a fascinating biography about Leonardo da Vinci. Reading his biography gave me a new appreciation for his work. The author specialized in writing biographies of influential women. Her biography is a testament to her resilience and determination. The biography became a bestseller shortly after its release. I'm using this biography as a source for my research paper. The biography provides valuable insights into his political views. This biography offers a comprehensive look at his life and times. His authorized biography was released last year. The biography was critical of his policies and decisions. This biography is full of juicy anecdotes and personal details. The biography won several awards for its literary merit. To sum up, biography is a written account of someone's life. We explored synonyms like life story, profile, account, chronicle, and portrayal, and antonyms like anonymity, secrecy, obscurity, fiction, and disguise. We also looked at how biography can be used in everyday conversations and various sentences. That's it for today's episode of Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word biography. Thank you for joining me. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And now for your challenge. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word biography and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.